3.13 on page 69 reads as follows. The following transactions, amongst others, appeared in the books of Georgian traders during March 20.7. 20.7 is the same as 2007. Don't be confused. So the name of our business is called Georgian Traders. They gave us the dates and the transactions. I'll read the first one. On the 13th, purchased inventory on credit for how much? 18,000. Okay. Now, according to this exercise, they want you to have account equations under both perpetual and periodic, so that we can see the differences and the similarities. Let's start with what? A perpetual system on the 13th. Please help me with the two accounts involved in this case. Trading stock, because you are under what? Perpetual. So you're going to say trading stock. Né? Any question about the trading stock? But how did you buy stock? Because you bought on credit, you said is what? Creditors control. So I'm going to write creditors control. This is what you must do. Okay, you know better. Classify for me, please. Is it asset? What about this? Liability. Can you see that? It's a good practice. Now you tell me about the movement. I either go up or down. Will my stock increase if I bought it or not? Increase. Because you bought stock, it must increase. What about people you owe? Do you owe more or do you owe less? Because you bought from them on, so they will also increase. Now, your rules, your department, where will assets increase? Always on them. And this one must be. You're on fire. So this is how you must analyze under what? The perpetual. So I'm going to go and record under again. Now I need to have the date first. No? I'm going to write what here? The 30 stock. Obviously here. Creditors control. Thank you very much. Plus 18. Thank you. Because there is no ownership. And then please talk to me. Yes.
18 because of the arrow going up.
Yes. Assets are is plus liability because the arrow is going up. And again, you can use this technique. The minute you say plus under assets, wherever you go, it must be plus. You can't change the sign. As long as you affect assets and one of the two, the signs will always be there. It's a fact. This is boring. Yes. There will be different. Okay. This was under what? Any question, guys? Guys, I'm trying to take a video of this because some students want my videos. They enjoy them. Okay. So, and being famous, you must do these things. This was under what? Perpetual. Let's do what? Periodic. Same, but under what? You're saying you're going to say what? Can you see now? You say because you are under what? Periodic. Instead of saying what? Will I change this? No. Only in our dreams. What must we do? We just write what? Yes. Can you see now? This is important. Because now I'm going to record under what? That's why I use what? instead of, let's do what we do first. Expenses, liability. Anyone with a question? Okay, let's check. Up and up. Hey, rules, rules, and rules. Which side? DR and CR. Why? Expenses behave the same way as assets. Don't say, why am I still having debit? It's because they're expense. Same behavior, same group, same WhatsApp group. You remember? Yes. Can I continue? Now, I know you are going to show me how to do this, and I'm very impressed. Please, sure. Obviously, obviously. Guys, creditors. Let's going to write creditors out of space. 0. There's no asset there. Can you see that? Okay. Plus. I forgot our language. Minus. Let me pause a bit here. When the expenses increase, owner's equity will always. I told you when you see expenses do this, you remember what to do here. The expense, because someone can say, why is expense increasing, but we don't put plus? No, expenses are negative. Expenses have got a negative impact on what? Or if I were you, I should have started with what? Because I know it's straightforward. I'll come and say what? But because I'm affecting the two, the signs will never be the same. Did you get me? I'm sure of this. I put plus and I'll put minus here. I'll never have minus and minus as long as I affect the two. Never. We only have the same signs when I affect and one of them. Did you get me? Yes. So always start with the one that you understand better and use your technique. It helps. Okay, let me explain owner's equity. Firstly, let me talk about things that affect owner's equity. Owner's equity can only be affected by what? Expenses, incomes, capital, and drawings. Write it down for the 7th time, please. I'll repeat myself. I still have that. I'm waiting for you. Can I name them? Owner's equity is only affected by the following accounts: expenses, incomes, capital, and drawings. So if I don't see those things, I will forget about owner's equity. Why did I come and affect owner's equity? Because I saw expense. But are expenses favorable or unfavorable? Do you like expenses? No. Expenses will always have a negative impact on what? Owner's equity. As long as those expenses are what? Increasing. So when the expense increases, owner's equity will decrease. When the incomes increases, owner's equity will also increase. Because we don't call trading stock under what? Can you see that's the difference between the two systems? Yes. Yes. On the asset, yes. Okay. Yeah, come. Yes. Yeah, it will make sense under the other format, but you must just be careful because this for you will mean you must write debit here. You must know that this is debit. Exactly. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Debit. Yes. Perfect. It works. Did you understand what you said? Okay. You can even use this. I think you will like it. Because it's aligned to whatever you. Okay. Please use different techniques. It works. Some of you use your mathematical understanding. You know that when you add this and this must always be equal. Okay. Yes. I think you deserve a break. I think so. So please come back. I know the kitchen is very hot. On the 14th, can you see that? Paid 2,000 from petty cash for railage on premises on the inventory purchased on the day 30. Okay. You need to be careful here. But I trust you. Give me the two accounts under perpetual. Remember, we start with the perpetual. I want the two accounts involved. Is that? Okay, petty cash because you paid out. Thank you very much. But you ask yourself a question, why did you pay? You took petty cash to pay something. What is that? Railage on purchase. But you must listen to me carefully here. Under perpetual, when you are paying for additional costs, that cost must be incorporated to what? To the stock you bought. It's like when you buy a DSTV decoder, normally they charge you the installation. Normally it's part of what? The cost of what? That particular decoder. That's why sometimes you feel like the installation is free. It's not free. It is part of what? The cost of the DSTV decoder. The same applies here. We were buying goods on the third, they told you. And what is railage on premises? It's like transport on or carriage on premises. You can write it there with a pencil. Railage on premises is the same as the transportation on what? Premises. Or can you call it what? Carriage on premises. Transport, yes. We're just using this fancy word, and it's good to use it because you'll be very special amongst your friends. Okay. Railage is the same as the transportation. I'm going to repeat what I said. When you pay additional costs when you are buying stock under perpetual, that cost must be part of what? The trading stock cost. So don't give me the railage on prices here. You just say you bought what? Don't get me wrong. This is under what? Perpetual. So any additional cost when you are buying stock must be classified under what? Trading stock. It's like you are buying trading stock. The cost of stock has increased. Does that make sense? Yes. Yes. You can separate, they can add themselves in the general ledger. But even if you can add them, I will understand. Because they form part of what? That particular cost. Okay? Can I continue? Help me now. I know it is easy. What about this? Only agreement? And then what about the errors? Decrease. Okay. Increase because you bought. Very good. That one you must just go and practice. I'm telling you. If you never practice, guys, you are cheating yourself. Time is coming. I'm telling you. Let's avoid flames. Okay. So now we are ready for action. Okay. The date 14. Account debit help me. Trading stock or inventory. Same thing. You have what? Okay, you tell me what to do. I don't know what to do. And then plus 200. 2000 like this. Same column. Because they are both here, here, just like that. So I said when you see AA, just go to the assets and put plus. Any questions, guys? Can we analyze the periodic system? Still under the same date. Give me the account under periodic. Will I change periodic? No. It will change. Now is where you're going to be very specific now. What did you pay for? Check there. Carriage or railage on carriage. Is that your right one? Railage on carriage. Is it transport? No, don't say transport fees. Just call it the way they call it, okay? So, can you see the difference now? Here, the cost of railage is part of the inventory. Here, you must make sure that you separate. Okay, let's classify. Answer. Expense. Can you see that? Okay, the movement increases on the credit side. Yes. Yes. Just like that. Are you okay? Yeah. So now we must come in. The date obviously is the 14th. Account debited. Railage on paid. And we've got I'm not sure. You tell me. Life is challenging now. I'm waiting. Yes, what must I write? 2000 minus 2000. What about it? Thank you guys. I wish I was rich. I'll give you 1 million each. I wish. Just pray for me, man. My success is your success. Okay. I'm not promising. I said pray for me. I want to buy it myself. No, we are there. Can we go to the 22nd, guys? Sold all the inventory bought on the 13th for how much? So what must I do? Okay, that is the date is what? 22nd. 22nd. Let's do the 22nd, guys. Give me the accounting book. Bank, because you sold for cash. You said bank. I agree. And what? Sales. This is the A part. Sales. Okay. Okay, help me, guys. Help me. That's it. What about this? I know it's boring, but let's just do it. Up. And then? Up. Okay. Huh? Okay. Let's go and record for this one. It's the A part. Okay. The date is what? And we've got. Help me. We've got sales. Help me with the effect. How much? 27,000 plus 27,000. Okay. So at the same time, let's record this. It's going to be the 22nd. Tell me how will it change What must I write here? Obviously, this one is what? A. And this one must be A. So must I write something? It's the same. Remember, the A is always the same both sides. Bang and guys, don't disappoint me because about this one I gave you the comparison. This will always be the same. And then, obviously, plus 27,000 plus 27,000. And yes. So now obviously I must go to what? Okay. Can I go here? Give me the B part. Cost of all in agreement and trading stock. Okay. They didn't give us the markup, but they told us which goods did we sell. We're going to use that amount as cost because we bought them for that amount of money. Okay. Okay. Can I leave this? Are you okay? Can I show you what? Okay. Silence means show us. Yes. Yes. Okay. Wait now. Increasing on the debit side, on the credit side. Remember. Thank you. And then let's come here. Obviously, I'm there. Cost of sales, trading stock. Don't have space there. Plus or minus? Check. Minus. How much? 80. Remember, check them. And then, under which column? Plus minus. And? Okay, good. And here must have there. B part. How many books look like? There. Can you see the difference now? No, you don't have to put it here. Just try to show the difference.
Can you please explain why it's minus 18? We get at the 18,000 from 13.
Yes.
But now we're on 22.
Yeah, but it's still the cost of with the 13. So you must make the cost of that stock.
Okay.
That would be a cost of. You went for 80, you sold for 27. Okay, guys. Honestly speaking, I'm okay.